Hi, welcome to my home. I'm Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, YouTube. Today we're going to be making marinated skirt steak I got from Cosco's. John helped me pick them out. He's the butcher over there. And we're going to do some cheesy potato skins. And we're going to do some grilled onions and sauteed mushrooms. So we'll be right back.
Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
So what we got here is you got the marinated skirt steak I got at Costco's, and just going to open it up. And I want to thank Michelle for the apron she gave me, the Chef Carl Food Whisperer apron. Thank you very much, Michelle. So this is a skirt steak. I know it looks like I'll kind of gotta unwind it. So not churning it. We're going to be making steak sandwiches out of this. Trim it a little bit so all the pieces are the same. This piece will be for the dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 pieces of steak, and it cost $40. So that's less than about $3.70 a piece. What I'm going to do is season this skirt steak up with a little bit of Weber's Asiago and garlic, and some of my homemade spice, what's got cumin, chili powder, paprika, garlic. So we're going to put this on liberally. We'll put it on a lot. So I'm going to put that on the side. Then we're going to make some cheesy potato skins. And the way I baked these potatoes off earlier, and you just take a hand and spin it, turn it, again, spin it, turn it. I'm going to put some sharp cheddar. You could put any kind of cheese in you want. And a little mozzarella. And that's going to be that. The other thing we're going to put on is these red onions. They sliced, put a little olive oil and black pepper. And my favorite is going to be portobello mushrooms, where they pre-sliced. Butter. Some Heinz Worcestershire sauce, some nicely cut portobello mushrooms, thick cut, and I'm going to put those on the side burner now. So, We got the cheesy potatoes going on the upper level. Now I'm going to actually turn this side off so it doesn't get too hot. When you're hot, you're hot. Guess we'll have to slide one in there. My red onions with a little olive oil, black pepper. And now we can put the meat on. And of course, the piece for the dog. I'm going to put that down and let it cook for a few minutes. So I have my bottle of Hennessy Cognac, only the best, and we're going to put it on the portobello mushrooms that are sauteing in the butter and Worcestershire sauce. These are sauteing nicely, and hopefully so now we got these nice portobellos in the butter and the, I don't know if you can see it flaming, but we got a nice flambe going. I'm going to cook off the cognac. When the fire goes out, that means they're ready. So I'll let this go. I'm going to check the steak. Onions are looking good. Nice color on the steaks. And you pretty much just cook these medium. Got a little bit of sticking, but that's okay. So cheese is melting nicely on the potatoes, and once I take the steaks off, I'm going to move the potatoes down to the main grill and get them a little hotter. The onions are cooking nice. I got about 1 or 2 minutes left on the skirt steak, and we're going to start taking the steaks off. Like I said, they only take about 3 or 4 minutes total cooking time. That's the doggy steak. I'll put the potatoes to finish them off here. And then you can serve them with sour cream or salsa, jalapenos, whatever you like. Close this up for a little bit. So I'm going to open up few buns. I'll put a nice piece of steak, skirt steak on each one. Little onion. Now you don't have to put the onions on, that's just something I want to do. Got the nice portobello mushrooms. I'm only going to put them on half in case someone doesn't like them, but oh man, that's good looking stuff. Let's check those potatoes now. Whoa, that's hot stuff. That's our soft potato skins. They came out very nice. Like I said, you can put sour cream on them. And then just a little sprinkle of A1 steak sauce. And folks, that's pretty much it. I'm going to put a little scallions. Just make it look pretty. And now, Ward, I'm going to cut one here. Cut one sandwich. I'm not going to cut one. Juicy, delicious, and folks, that's about it. So, remember, I'm Chef Carl Food Whisperer on YouTube. Please subscribe and let me know if there's something you want to see made. Ring the bell and leave a comment. So Ward and I are getting pretty hungry, so I think we're going to stop and say goodbye till next time. Bye-bye, folks.